What's up, YouTube? Shawn with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I want to talk about golden nuggets. Stop looking for golden nuggets. You guys need to learn how to mine for gold. There is a gigantic difference in between golden nuggets of information and mining for gold. All right, guys, let's cut the fluff and dig straight into it. When I first started the Guaranteed Success Plan, it was a live 5-day course that we went over with agents, and we covered every single type of prospecting that you could imagine that were gonna drive people's business through the roof. And honestly, everybody left foaming at the mouth. It was one of those ones, same like when you go to a 10X seminar, Tony Robbins, or one of those places, and you're all just super wild and excited, and you're like, man, I can't wait for Monday. I'm gonna hit the ground running. It's gonna be so awesome. And then I would follow up with some of these people, a week later, 2 weeks later, and they were back to doing the same thing they were doing before. It was absolutely a waste of time and trash. So after we started having not just a few hundred people through, but over a few thousand people through, I started wondering, why aren't these people taking more action? Why aren't they actually taking the steps to start driving their business forward? And as I sat back to think about it and look at the big picture of what was going wrong, it was these golden nuggets. Everybody thought they had this little piece of information or this big piece of information and it was going to change their business. But what they didn't understand is they had to actually put that information to work. So they were sitting with these golden nuggets, but they didn't understand that the nuggets isn't the treasure, it's mining that's the treasure. So because you learn how to door knock, you learn how to cold call, which again, I don't like cold calling, but if you're a cold caller, you like doing it, go for it. But you learn how to door knock, you learn how to cold call, you learn how to work your sphere properly. You got all these golden nuggets of information, but you never mine that information. It doesn't matter knowing it. You have to actually put that to work. It truly boils down into not understanding the information or not learning information, but truly just putting that information to work. Taking massive action, acting now, not sitting around waiting, not letting the fear sit in, not going out and learning more golden nuggets, but actually mining for them. All right, guys, so I hope this was useful to you. And if it was, honestly, shut YouTube down, find a task that you should be doing instead of sitting here watching this or watching the next one, and actually go to work. But again, if this was useful, make sure you throw us a subscribe so you can see our videos coming. Click that little notification bell so you make sure every time we put out a video, you guys see it. And again, we love interacting with agents. So make sure you leave us a comment down below, fire me off an email. And again, these are some of the things that we offer inside our GSP group, inside the Guaranteed Success Plan. If you're working with us, I'm going to make sure you are no longer hoarding these golden nuggets, but you're actually mining every day. We always take massive action. We truly go leaps and bounds to make sure that you are increasing your business on a daily basis. There is no time to waste. Yes, we have to be patient. Yes, we have to be persistent, but we do not have to wait to take action. All right, guys, until the next one. See you later.